Anytime you share anything on your phone, you have a list popping up of recent contacts that you can share it with. You can remove people from this list pretty easily, but just to make sure you know what I'm talking about, there's a lot of different places on your phone where you're going to see this little square box with an up arrow. That's the share button. So when you tap this, it gives you various options to share, and it includes a list of contacts that you spoke with recently. To remove somebody from here, all you do, tap and hold on their name and tap on Suggest Less. That doesn't delete the contact, that doesn't remove them from your phone or anything. It just makes them show up less on this suggested list of contacts you want to share with. That's all there is to it. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. And then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to set any song as a ringtone. Super cool video. Check that out. I'll see you there.